your back.
Hello and welcome. Today I want to share with you how I do this delicious Danish dish. It's called Boller, which basically means meatballs in curry. So let's jump into it. Here we have the ingredients for the meatballs. I have a spice mix with herbs that I'm addicted to lately, but you can use what you prefer in your meatballs. I'm going to add that into my ground beef with salt and pepper. And then I'll add 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 eggs. And now I'm mixing it all together very well. Now I'm forming the meat into small meatballs. I'm dipping my hand into water so that the meat doesn't stick to my hands and form easily. I'm going to let the meatballs rest for 10 minutes. I'll then boil them in a big pot. And I'm boiling them for about 8 minutes. Now I'm going to drain the meatballs and set them aside. And I like to use the meat stock to boil rice in it for this dish. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the sauce. To make the sauce, we'll need 2 big apples or 4 small ones. I will grind the apples and I already chopped 1 big onion. Add oil or butter in a pan. We'll add the chopped onions and season it with salt and let it saute for a few minutes. Now we'll add the apples and let it saute all together. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of honey and 1 tablespoon of curry. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of flour and mixing it well. Then I'll add heavy cream and stir it while it starts to simmer. We're going to add the meatballs and add 1 deciliter of boiled water and give it a stir. Now the sauce has to simmer for another 10 minutes on low heat. This lovely dish is ready to be served. My family is in love with this dish. It gives a warm and cozy feeling when we have this to dinner. I'm going to add all the ingredients and exact amount in the description box down below. I hope you'll give it a try. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to be a part of my kitchen family. I'm sharing lovely recipes with you every now and then. See you again very soon.